Well, here's a quick walk around, albeit a little jerky, video of an Icon FJ44 that we just finished. It's July 2011. This truck's leaving today to be delivered to the client. And I wanted to take the opportunity to sort of show off the details and the craftsmanship that go into our efforts here at Icon. This is, as I said, an Icon FJ44. It's built in the new school style. It's finished in the volcanic black color. This truck's really well optioned. It's actually my favorite 44 thus far, and the first production Icon 44 running the new Fox racing suspension components with Eibach. We just switched suppliers of our shocks to Fox, and we've been really pleased with the improvement in ride quality and overall build finesse from those guys. And the engineering resources that they made available to us really helped us evolve the ride quality of the Icon even further. This truck has the optional LED auxiliary lights front and rear. Those are waterproof and submersible, and they only draw milliamps. Great lights. Same light, in fact, that I believe is on the Mars lunar rover. This truck has the Warren 9.5 winch, Hutchinson beadlock wheels. Wheels are kind of neat. They're the only DOT legal run flat beadlock rim. So you'll notice the hardware on the wheels, and that's a structural component that ties the inner and outer structure of the rim together, and in process clamps the bead where the tire meets the rim. This allows you to run extremely low tire pressure without the risk of puckering the tire off of the rim. And there's also an inside rubber strip that operates as a run flat option for sand. This client ordered the roof rack and ladder option. We offer those in various configurations depending on the client's need. This particular client wanted the front section left open for extended cargo use and a tubular floor. Sometimes we leave the front and rear open for paddle boards. Sometimes we cage it all the way around for boxes of gear. Sometimes we do an extruded floor. The truck also has the sport brake option, which denotes the StopTech engineered 6-piston CNC front calipers, and then rear callies with independent parking brakes, and 15-inch rotors that are slotted and vented with T40-41 two-piece hats. Here's some close-up shots to give you a feel for the surface coating. It's engineered and manufactured as well here in Los Angeles by a company called Cardinal Coatings, and it's a super durable polymer powder coat finish. So it has a nano suspension of mica which gives it the surface sheen. It's a super durable coating. There's our beloved Lizard. He has 3 LEDs that light him up at night real subtly, and he's made for us by a jeweler here in the States using the lost wax process, traditional jeweling manner, and he's made out of brass. Some chassis details. Front axles, Dynatrac Dana 44 based with the fine spline internals. All the steering arms and ends are OEM General Motors 3/4 ton components, easy to source. Sway bars are tunable with 3 stages of adjustment. It's a blade torsion bar style sway bar, front and rear. Same assembly, just the rear is 180'd in its orientation. Here's the rear suspension. This is a triangulated 4-link. All of the control arms for the suspension are 1/2-inch thick DOM US steel, all TIG welded with 1-ton Johnny joints. Again, all US manufactured components. Close up of the brakes. Parking brake cable. That's the fuel filter you see. Again, a commonly sourceable GM component for the filter. Drive shafts run 1310 U-joints. Exhaust is ceramic coated. You'll notice we use what are called V-groove or turbo clamps instead of conventional flanges. Here's our bumper design. You'll see that pin actuates when you rotate full out. There's the CNC'd aluminum and stainless handles. This particular client had us outfit the truck with tow electrical, which is all mil-spec components hand soldered. Here you see the Bentley 10X snaps that we use in lieu of the conventional marine turnbuckles that always break. These are a great product, last a long time. And that's all Mercedes 3-ply Hearts canvas, and then YKK marine for the zippers and 3M for the windows. Some mechanical details. Here you see our Griffin radiator. It's all seam welded. K&N filter with a dry sock. Optima battery quick connects. All stainless plumbing for fuel system, brake system. Overflow reservoir for the power steering by Tom Lee. CNC master cylinder for the clutch. Universal General Motors master for the brakes. Here's a little detail of how these nifty power steps work. Check that out. So they rotate up above the frame level when the door is shut. Here's some details of our half doors. There's our beloved monkey balls on the zippers to stop rattles. Those we make through a microloan program with our good friends at Red Ox, great bag company. Have those done in Ecuador by a small village. Here you see the stainless clamps we source from Chicago, from Destaco. It's a Sub-Zero fridge latch. Here are my CNC'd sport pedals. We just started offering these fire extinguishers. They're really well built, just beautifully finished and machined, no rattles, quick release pull tab, black wrinkle powder coat finish. Here you see a close-up of a bespoke knife at the client's request. Here you see the Chilwich textile option. The adjacent panels are all OEM BMW vinyl. The lockbox gun-rated center console has a sub-compartment in front for audio as well as the seat heat functions. Here's some details of the new Garmin nav that we run and our dash design. From the passenger side, we recently changed the glove box and instrument panels inspired by Bell & Ross. Thanks for watching.